This is a filter housing of 10 inches in length. It is a casing used to hold either a sediment filter or a carbon filter. They are of different dimensions depending on the type of filter to be installed on the casing. To replace a cracked or a faulty filter housing, you screw it clockwise to open it, pick the new one, unwrap it and screw it anti-clockwise to close it back to the machine. There is a sequence of arrangement depending on the size of the pore diameter, for example from the largest to the smallest, for example from 10 micron to 5 micron to 1 micron and to 0.5 micron.